Good morning, everybody. So I woke up this morning and I looked out the window and Keith is trying to put back together our not very well thought out. Oh, he felt bad. We should have planned a little better. He said, we'll buy more net. I said, I don't want to buy more net this winter. He's out here trying to piece it back together.
It'll be all right.
So we didn't plan for the big branches, as you see.
Not we, me.
And it kind of destroyed our netting. It only took down one big cane, though, with berries on it. The rest of them popped back up and are fine. And bees are busy this morning. See them in there? And so now the tree's gone. You can see what my plan is. I plan to continue the bed probably over to this stump area. That's another 8 feet. And we will work on it next spring. We will make it pretty again. But right now, I just want to keep the deer out from what I got going on. Thank you, honey.
Come right on back out and help us.
I'm barely up. Give me a minute. I just got up. But yes, he didn't hit the peach or the cherry tree. It didn't fall on top of my raspberries and destroy them all. And it was a pretty tree, but it blocked so much sun.
Hey, Craig, thanks for taking out for me. Us men got to stick together.
And so the purple, see these little purple tomatoes I got over here? We have a barbecue or a get together at my folks' house tomorrow. And I'm going to come pluck all these, or a bunch of them. Do you see them? And we'll take these tomatoes. Ooh, you got to get in there with a weed eater. Let's see if I can find the one. Oh, here it is. Kind of buried it. They weren't very far along anyways. But there's the one cane that got destroyed. I wonder if I pluck it off and put it in water if it'll grow. You never know. Maybe I should. Alright, y'all. Well, that's what we'll be doing the next few days. Cleaning that up. Hopefully. Alright, y'all. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Take it easy.